Just outside right now, looking at some fireworks. Hello, YouTube. This is, yeah, literally just bad. I know it's bad quality. I'm uploading this to YouTube. Not sure if there is a box over there. That red thing there, that's literally a firework. We're very close. My brother's here as well.
Hello.
Back up a little bit into the light. You can't really see him. Not doing a brother reveal yet, but he might be in some videos.
Yeah, you won't be able to see my face.
Yeah, no, I know anyway.
Yeah.
100 subscribers and you'll see him a lot more in the videos. It's Bonfire Night and there's fireworks going all around us. Oh, car coming, one sec. Over there. Whoa, there, whoa! Oh, let's go over here. Bad quality on my phone. Jack, let's go to the fireworks. Good enough for that garden there. Some people are like, oh, and I can't put them on camera.
I know.
Jack, your face is kind of revealed. I don't think it was over there. There's gonna be one there. Oh!
We are a bit safe over here.
Yeah, I get it now. They're doing big ones here. Oh!
Wait, let's watch out just in case that goes off.
Yeah, you just want it. Another one's about to go off. Another one's about to go off.
I hold it.
No. It's just literally a couple. Oh!
Ah, for quite a while.
That light's messing up my camera. No. Oh. Damn.
Which one are those big ones? But the go off.
Mainly near town. Oh, guys, it's a big one. That's a big one. That's the stick was long. Get ready. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Where's the bit that bonfire went down there? An actual bit of the firework.
Yeah. No, it's the main firework, remember, that we kept on finding.
Yeah, that was on fire.
It was a little red. Oh, another one. The same one as last time. You don't need to run for it, Jack, you're fine. Get ready for another one. And I did it in the garden. Sorry for the absence. I hopefully will make a return soon. And we will go and have a look at that firework over there when they're gone. Oh, another one.
Really?
Don't run, Jack, it's fine. Jack. Ready?
Scares me.
Not loud.
I've never person that fired more fireworks. Going around. I'm getting closer. I should get further away by now.
Nah, this is the safest. If you go into that tree, that's not safe.
Yeah.
Because they're going over to that tree, which isn't good. If it lights it, then... Oh, is it... What one is it?
I think it's one of
I think it's some sparkler type ones again. I think it's one of them ones from last time.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Well, let's reveal my voice.
Your voice has already been heard.
Sure. This is my voice.
100 subscribers and a face reveal.
Yeah.
Lucky ones too who have already seen him in the video. But, yeah.
I will be in a few more videos now, but you'll only be able to see my hands, not my face. Not my face. Wait.
Hmm?
Show them how I feel.
What's so fascinating about the scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Right, the other one. I can see it.
I think I.
Jack, a big one. I saw it. Jack, I keep on accidentally setting off little glimpses of you. Luckily, no one's probably gonna be bothered to look. Yeah, 100 subscribers and you'll see him.
My full face. Okay.
150 subscribers. 150 subscribers and he'll get his own channel.
Yeah. And then I'm not sure what my channel will be named, but I will eventually tell you.
I will link it in one of my videos. Yeah, 150 subscribers and he'll become active on YouTube.
Yep. My own channel.
What's that car? Must be in. It's about life, another one.
It might be a big one.
Must be in.
There's some coming from.
This video's only 10 minutes. When it hits 10 minutes, the video will end. 'Cause I'm not out for long. Since I was allowed to just come and see these ones. Because I've been at my cousin's most of the time, running around, just looking at the other fireworks. With a pumpkin here. Can't really see it in the camera though. Whoa, where is that coming from? Nah, that's somewhere in town. Oh, another one's about to go off.
Hey.
Damn.
I know whose house that is.
Yeah, same. Shush.
Huh?
Shush. Yeah, not long until video's over, but yeah, just a little firework night show. I will do this. I will maybe put a special video out to Christmas if I can get 100 subscribers before Christmas. Or if I can get 100 subscribers by Christmas. By Christmas, I will get my brother his own channel about 150. Because if I can get that high that quick, I'll face reveal with a channel.
Wait, face reveal in my channel. Just
Yeah, so
away. My first video.
his name will be more part of the. His name will be like the member of the His name will be like one of the members of the Lego gang.
Okay.
Oh, no, that'll be like in his bio or something. I don't know what I'm going to choose his name. Should it be? What do you want to do your channel about?
Perhaps a bit of Lego, a bit of caramel.
Like something based, like Cars Army.
Army toys.
His name will be he'll be based off of the army stuff, and his name will be
Actually,
the army.
that's supposed to
His
be on
name
my
will-
face now.
Nah,
Why?
his name will be the Army Gang, just like it will be for me, the Lego Gang.
Yeah, the army.
So yeah, that'll be his name, but I will link it to other things so you can find it easier.
Sorry, so I'm gonna be in a lot more videos. Wait, don't.
Yeah.
Let's reveal my name.
His name's Jack, brother. Right. And 10 minutes. If there's any other big ones about to go off, then I will go on the camera. But enjoy Bonfire Night, and I hope you have a good one.